But अगर my husband was here, then he would have begged to differ because in pregnancy I am just farting.
But my pregnancy was beautiful.
We all forget husbands.
I said, remove your mother is going to look very beautiful.
Of course.
It's like, oh, you don't look like a mom. What are you supposed to look like?
कि लड़कियों को स्ट्रांग होना बहुत जरूरी है. उन लोग के रोल्स बहुत होते हैं. माँ बनना, बहन बनना, वाइफ बनना.
Zihan has 2 cats at home with me and he's just like, friend. And चलते चलते उनको ऐसे बैक देगा वो. Fashion, fun, and fierce honesty. Today's guests are a mother-daughter duo. No. I should say such a powerful mother-daughter duo that represent 2 generations of what it means to be a woman, a professional, and an amazing parent. Ladies and gentlemen, my favorite. मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ my favorite, लेकिन actually Manoranjan with Gauhar Khan पे I'm excited to bring on all my favorites. Doris Godambe and Juhi Godambe Jain, welcome to Manoranjan with Gauhar Khan. First of all, I am very excited. मैं जब इतना ऊंची आवाज में बोलने लग जाती हूँ, it means that मैं सचमुच बहुत खुश हूँ to have both of you here. And of course, you all are my first mother-daughter, duo coming on the show, so it makes it even more exciting. आप माँ हैं, आप बेटी हैं, and I have seen her like Itnusa at fashion shows, trying to carry like the most fashionable purse or whatever, and always she had like a gloss and everything in a little bag. So Doris, आप इस industry के सबसे renowned hair and makeup duo को represent करती हैं. आपके husband Bharat Godambe is the like a teacher and icon in the makeup industry and the Bollywood industry. और आप तो मतलब जो भी कुछ मुझे हेयर के बारे में पता है वो सब मैंने आपसे ही सीखा है in my formative years as a model. आपका करियर इतना लंबा, इतना ग्रैंड और अभी तक माशाल्लाह चलता जा रहा है. कौन सा रोल ज़्यादा आपको डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है, एक माँ होने का या एक एंटरप्रेन्योर और एक इतने बड़े नामचीन प्रोफेशनल होने का?
डिफ़िकल्ट तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मैंने हर रोल बड़े प्यार से निभाया है और उसमें मतलब ये सोच के नहीं किया कि ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. मैंने सोचा अरे ये भी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. और जो मेरा खुद का काम है उसका तो आपको भी पता है, हमारा काम का कोई टाइमिंग वगैरह नहीं रहता है. तो वो हिसाब से भी मतलब जो मैं आज जहाँ पे हम लोग हैं, मैं और भरत, उसमें सबसे बड़ा जो रोल था वो मेरे मदर इन लॉ का था, जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया.
How sweet.
हाँ, मेरी मदर इन लॉ मुझे हमेशा कहती थी तू बच्चों का फिक्र मत कर, अपना काम देख, बच्चों को मैं देखूंगी. तो आज हम यहाँ पे हैं, मैं और भरत, और because of my mother.
मतलब imagine that time, a generation almost like a 20-30 year gap before, but उस वक्त उनका ऐसा ख्याल होना is very big thing.
वो मतलब इतनी पढ़ी लिखी तो नहीं थी, मगर उनको मालूम था कि काम क्या होता है. वो हमेशा मैं लेट भी आती थी, मेरे को बोलती थी सो ही रहे, आराम से उठना, बच्चों को मैं देख लूंगी.
How sweet.
तो वो सपोर्ट के कारण हम लोगों ने इतना अचीवमेंट किया.
Amazing. Juhi, what inspires you about your mom? मतलब आपने बचपन से ही देखा है आपके mom dad on the go. I remember the whole thing about carrying those big petis and making it the first time with lights and all of that. They were the people who introduced it in the industry in India, at least.
Firstly, I have to say when you messaged me that if you want to come on to do this with mom, I was so happy because I was like, mom and I've never had a chance to do something together. But back when I started my career, my biggest inspiration has been my mom. Like I've always said, like it's been 10 years since I've been working now, and every interview, anything that I've ever given, somewhere or the other mom ka mention to hota hi hai. So yeah, for me she's been my fashion icon because like I don't know if you remember back in the day, mom loved to be dressed up on set.
Even now.
Exactly, even now. So imagine I've grown up looking at this and mom was very particular about clothes, shoes, and also, I mean, for me, she was my biggest inspiration. And besides fashion, also the business side of things, right? She was the first one to start a, makeup brand back in the day. And it took a lot of courage. you know, while running a whole business, doing bridal makeup, doing everything else, and plus starting a
And
cosmetic
films
brand,
and fashion.
everything.
Yeah.
So I saw that and I was like, oh my god, she's my inspiration. And I told mom कि mom मुझे खुद का कुछ करना है.
हाँ.
And she didn't say कि नहीं, you have to join our business. You do this ना. Why are you starting something else? She's like, you do whatever you have to do. I'm standing.
So
back.
sweet.
And I've had a lot of phases. I wanted to become a director. I wanted to become this. I tried working at a magazine. I've done everything. And they've just supported me throughout. So for me, it's just been, you know, so much support and love growing up, and which is why things turned out the way they did for me, you know.
आज के अगर आप फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, मेकअप इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, ट्रैवल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की बात करें तो जूही का नाम हर जगह आता है with the best of brands, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, this, that, everything. She is into international fashion, and you know, उनकी जो knowledge है also comes from her education. You went and studied, you know, merchandising in fashion business and all of that.
तो इसका ना एक बहुत अच्छी आदत है, इसने मुझे कभी अपनी मम्मी नहीं माना, वो हमेशा मुझे अपनी एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड समझती थी,
Buddy.
समझती है अभी भी. कुछ भी होगा ना वो मेरे से शेयर करेगी, और मैंने उसको बोला है कि जूही कुछ भी है ना अपनी मम्मा से शेयर करना, एंड योर मदर इज द पर्सन जो तेरे को हर चीज में सपोर्ट करेगी, गुड बैड,
करेक्ट,
हर चीज में. तो जूही का एक ये सबसे अच्छा प्लस पॉइंट है शादी के बाद भी.
हुआ है बाय द वे. मॉम वाज सुपर स्ट्रिक्ट ग्रोइंग अप.
हिटलर बोलते हैं ये लोग.
फिर मैं जब लंदन से वापस आई तो मॉम वाज लाइक हाँ ये खुद का ध्यान ले
सकती है.
फिर जाके मॉम was a little relaxed. उसके पहले oh my god, even my friends were scared of her.
I really want to ask on that point, going a little off track with my flow of the questions. But it's so interesting that there's a generation, right? There's a generation jump between my mother and me, your mother and you. आपने बोला वो strict थी. Now you're a parent and you have a son, mashallah. That's so lovely. He's adorable, by the way. And of course हम social media पे देखते रहते हैं. Do you think you were sitting here and saying that your mother was strict? Are you going to be a very lenient parent, or how do you think? Do you think you learn from her parenting?
I feel like the way of parenting obviously changes with time.
Yeah.
You know, my approach of parenting may be a little different, but I don't know. It's too soon. He's 18 months abhi. You know, he's so pampered. Or my in-laws, my parents, you know, the extended family, and he's the only baby in the family right now. So he's so pampered. So I mean, I think you know, he will need a strict parent for sure. I don't think exactly, and I don't think my husband is going to be able to be that strict. So I will have to.
So basically, जो आपको मम्मी ने सिखाया strict होके, now it's going to come फायदा for you.
जिस दिन आर्यन पैदा हुआ, मैंने जूही का रूप देखा, मैंने एकदम जूही को अलग देखा. मैंने देखा ये वो जूही नहीं है. जूही का जो चेंज था एक मदर का, जो अरे मेरा बेटा रो रहा है, मम्मी इसको हाथ नहीं, मम्मी हाथ धोया कि नहीं, हाथ धोए बगैर उसको हाथ नहीं लगाना. आई वॉज लाइक एक्सक्यूज मी. भरत को पापा हाथ धोए बगैर हाथ नहीं लगाना, उसको ना चिक पे सिर्फ किस करना, उसको फॉरहेड पे. आई वॉज लाइक जूही. शी सेड नहीं मम्मा यू डोंट नो, तुम लोग नहीं, तुम लोग का टाइम अलग था, अभी का टाइम. तो मैं सोचती थी मेरे टाइम में क्या था अलग. आई वांट टू नो. तो इस चीज को लेके कभी कभी हमारा मतलब. और मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ गोहर, मेरा और जूही का एवरी डे झगड़ा होता है. एंड शी इज नाउ, वो मेरे को बोलती कि मम्मा स्ट्रिक्ट. वो इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट हो गई है. अभी आपके शूट के लिए वो मेरे को 3 दिन से मेरे को बोल रही है मेरे बिगैर बताए कोई कपड़ा ऐसा चूज नहीं करना. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू वेयरिंग, ज्वेलरी, हाँ ज्वेलरी क्या पहन रही है, बाल एकदम लो बंद करना, हाई नहीं करना. मतलब वो मेरी अभी ऐसा लगता है कि शी इज माय ग्रैंडमदर,
क्योंकि रोल स्विच हो गए ना अभी. बट इजंट इट अमेजिंग? पेरेंटिंग के भाव चेंज हो सकते हैं, लेकिन पेरेंटिंग विल ऑलवेज बी अबाउट व्हाट्स बेस्ट फॉर योर चाइल्ड, राइट?
बट आई विल टेल यू गोहर, मैं एक चीज बताऊंगी कि आई एम सो लकी टू हैव जूही इन माय लाइफ. मैं हमेशा सबको कहती हूँ भगवान ना बेटी दे तो जूही जैसी. शी इज लाइक, वो किसी का बुरा नहीं सोच सकती है, किसी का बुरा नहीं कर सकती है. वो सिर्फ झगड़ेगी तो मेरे से झगड़ती है.
वो रोल स्विच जब होता है, अलग रूप का यू नो पेरेंटिंग या एक अलग रूप की अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाती है. एंड दैट्स द ग्रेट थिंग अबाउट वुमनहुड, राइट, वेयर यू गेट टू प्ले सो मेनी रोल्स एंड एवरी डे इवॉल्व. अभी आप नए रूप में आई हैं, आप एक ग्रैंड मदर हैं, और अभी आप आर्यन को बढ़ता हुआ देख रही हैं. हाउ डिफरेंट वॉज इट जब आपने इनको बड़ा किया, और अब आपको लगता है कि आप थोड़ी ज्यादा लीनियंट हो गई हैं क्योंकि असल से सूद प्यारा होता है?
एक्चुअली में ना देखा जाए तो गौहर सब कुछ चेंज हो गया,
Yeah.
क्योंकि फ्रैंकली बताऊं, जब मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिला था उनके साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करने का, क्योंकि मैं सब जगह थी। मैं फ़िल्म करती थी, एड फिल्म्स करती थी, फैशन शोज़ करती थी, हमारा खुद का इंस्टीट्यूट था, वहाँ हम लोग क्लासेस मेकअप देते थे, ब्राइडल करते थे। तो जो टाइम मुझे मेरे बच्चों को देना था वो मैं उनको दे नहीं पाई। क्यों नहीं दे पाई, उसका एक और रीज़न भी था कि मैंने देखा कि मेरे घर के जो संस्कार थे, मेरी मदर इन लॉ, मैं तो सबको यही कहूँगी कि जो भी लड़की शादी करती है ना, अगर वो इन लॉज के साथ रहती है 2-3 साल तो उन्होंने रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि बच्चों को बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है। मेरी जो सिस्टर इन लॉ है उसने बिकॉज ऑफ माय बच्चों के कारण शादी नहीं की।
ओह वाह।
उसने अपनी लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस किया और उसने जूही को और सूरज को बड़ा किया। तो अभी मैं जब जूही को देखती हूँ कि जब वो माँ बनी तो वो हर चीज़ में आर्यन को अगर पानी भी पिला रहे हैं, मामा ग्लास धोया है क्या, मामा स्पून को साफ किया क्या, वो स्पून है ना आरू का नहीं है, आई थिंक आरू का, मतलब वो हर चीज़ में ना देखती है, ध्यान देती है। हाँ। कि आरू को, अच्छा वो छोड़ो, नाइट ड्रेस भी आरू को उसका टाइम का रहता है, वही हाँ। पहनाना है। तो वो सब चीज़ों में ये देख के ना आई फील सो प्राउड कि जूही कर रही, क्योंकि जूही का भी काम
करेक्ट, शी इज अ प्रोफेशनल
है, उसका भी ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह रहता है, मगर वो सब साइड में रख के जिस तरीके से वो आर्यन को ग्रो कर रही है ना, हाँ। मतलब मैं इतनी प्राउड फील करती हूँ ना, उसको कितना भी फीवर होने दो, कुछ भी होने दो, आर्यन का खाना होना चाहिए बराबर, ध्यान देगी। सो हाँ, ये सब चेंजेस अलग है। हाँ, ये अलग है।
आई हैव टू से दिस फॉर मम्मी, लाइक कल ही की बात है, कल मैं घर पे गई हुई थी आरू के साथ and it was my day off. तो शाम को हम आरू को नीचे गार्डन लेके जाते हैं, and we've been living in that building for I think about 16 years now. Yeah. And in the past 16 years, mom has not entered the garden once. And with me, तो forget it, but in general, like leisurely walk building में कभी नहीं, because she's always been so busy in her life, which is great, but कभी नहीं. Yesterday, आरू के साथ dad, mom, my sister-in-law, my niece, me. We're like a whole entourage with him. This little baby. I'm like, Mummy, Aru ke sath you have the time to go to the garden with me. You've never had the time.
It's such a big blessing, right? To watch that, to see your parents become grandparents. I mean, mashallah, मेरी मम्मी 76 years की है, तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि I'm so blessed that she's getting to see this. Because I also have 4 siblings. तो सबके बच्चे तो वो देखे हुए हैं. हाँ. सिर्फ एक ही रिग्रेट रह जाता है कि my dad couldn't see my child. So that's वो थोड़ा ऐसा रहता है. हाँ. Also, you have a fashion brand of your own called Arabella. You're so involved in that. उसको भी काफी साल हो गए अभी. How do you find, you know, being a mother and a professional now? How difficult is it, and what are the challenges do you think that which you saw your mom dealing with, but maybe you're dealing it with it differently?
You know, so I took my first international trip after I delivered when Aru was 3 months old, and it was one of the most difficult things I've done in my life. But I was like, you know what, I want to rip the band-aid off in the beginning, because for me my work is very important and it's my identity. Correct. And I was feeling very like low, you know, postpartum, because I was like, if I don't work, I don't have anything else in my life. Work is also equally important. So I went there and I remember calling my mom, and I was, you know, just crying, sobbing. That mom guilt kicked in. And I called up my mom. I was like, Mummy, when you went to work, how did you feel? Yeah. Because now I understand. Like, you know, as a kid, you always feel like, mom and dad are not around, because they traveled so much, you know, growing up. My dad must have come to my school once, ever. Or my mom also. For me, mom coming to school was like this very exciting moment, because firstly, she was not always available on open houses, because they were always traveling. And mom was always so well dressed. I used to get very excited when she would come to school. So yeah, for me it was like show off ki that's my mom. And that time maybe as a kid I didn't understand. But now after growing up, I'm so grateful, because they gave us this life because of how hard they work. So I'm hoping that Aru, when he grows up, he realizes that, you know, mom and dad are both working hard for him.
And also it's a sacrifice, right? जब आप वो flight ले रही हैं, only you know कि आप क्या feel कर रही हैं.
So exactly, it's harder to be away than anything else. So for me right now, a lot has changed, because obviously priorities have changed. If it's not important for me to be there, and if it's not worth my time, I will say no.
Say no.
So the way I worked 2 years ago versus how things are working for me right now in terms of work priorities are so different.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So you have to learn to balance things really well.
Yeah.
You know, for me, giving time to Arabella, giving time to my job as a content creator and my son, they're all equally important. And also to my husband. Even that I think is very important.
Of course. We all forget.
Exactly.
We all forget husbands. Like, and Zaidan, मैंने ऐसे बोला था, देखो, पहले से हमने decide किया.
Yeah.
देखो, number 1 is you and me.
Yeah.
Then comes the child. तो अभी भी ऐसा कभी-कभी होता है जब Zian is hugging me or Zaid is hugging me or something, and we'll tell him, she is first, okay? He is first, okay? अभी तो उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. Like, yeah, whatever. But that's an effort you need to make. Otherwise, हमारे husbands हमेशा
इग्नोर होते हैं,
ignore होते हैं, right? And that's unfair, and that's where marriages have issues, because आप एक दूसरे को नहीं, suddenly your child becomes.
But you know, I think that's what after you have a baby is when you actually start prioritizing time and work-life balance. Uske pehle there was no work-life balance.
Yeah.
Like I used to be away for days and days. That time it was like, theek hai. But abhi you like every trip has to matter.
Correct.
Yeah.
You mentioned postpartum. Tell me, how was your pregnancy, and was it a surprise or did you plan it, or what was it?
It wasn't a planned pregnancy, but I'm glad it happened that way because I feel you will never be ready, especially when you're on this creative field.
Correct.
Things are, you know, opportunities keep coming and you'll always feel like next year. So I'm glad it happened the way it did. But my pregnancy was beautiful. It was very like, I was traveling till my 32nd week.
You know, I'm so happy that the first sentence you said is my pregnancy was beautiful, because I think abhi social media पे और हर जगह इतना ज़्यादा of the oh my gods हो गया है कि what pregnancy can really like, you know, do to you, that I feel like there's so much being spoken about how, like, you know, how it's a difficult phase, how it is this, how it is that, there's postpartum depression, there's hair loss, there's all of that. But I'm so glad that you said your pregnancy was beautiful.
I mean, see, of course, it has its own challenges.
Of course.
But for the most part, I mean, it was a very beautiful,
experience. Yeah.
And for me, luckily, like, I was okay. I know for a lot of women, it's a lot harder. For me, I was able to move around and, you know, I was able to carry on with my work normally. But postpartum was much tougher. Luckily, I was with my mom. I was there at my mom's place for almost 2.5 months after I delivered. So that was also very amazing because like I was surrounded by my bua, my mom, my dad, everyone, you know. And I just felt like there's someone to take care of me also.
Correct.
But still, I
felt
like...
that is so important.
Yeah, very important postpartum. But also at the same time, I felt like there was this mental battle where I felt like I constantly had to, you know, tell myself that I am also important. And I had to constantly like question my self-worth because I was not working. You can't work after you've delivered a baby, but it's just how your mind kind of comes into play, right? So I remember like crying because I was missing a couple of work opportunities and I was like, I can't go to my mama. I had to go for some trips. And then 15 days postpartum, I was like, nahi bus. I got ready and I went for an event. The event was in town and I was in Lokhandwala that time. And that was a 2.5-hour long drive at night. There was traffic and all. And the whole journey, I've just cried. I've reached the event. After 5 minutes, I'm like, I have to go. I left. Baby will cry. Because I was also feeling so guilty that Aru's over. The whole emotional turmoil. I'm like, why did I even go and put myself through this? I had to leave in 5 minutes. And it was a sit-down dinner. So I left that dinner. I'm like, I can't sit. I'm going. It was a dinner for Dior. So it was like very, you know.
Prestigious.
You can't just like get up and leave. But I was like, no, I left. And yeah, so it was a very difficult phase. And I think 1 month into it, then I kind of centered myself, started feeling like myself again. I started working out also a month later. Not like a full-on...
Heavy,
Yeah, exactly. But just like moving a little bit, you know. That also helped me a lot.
But tell me one thing, because आप fashion industry से हैं and you know you have to wear the best of clothes and you have to be looking a certain way. How much of being pregnant and of course post after that, because you actually start bloating up after that, you know, how much of it did it affect your body image? Like, what did you feel about being in that body suddenly that you have to represent, but then suddenly you can't help the way you're looking? How did you deal with that?
So in fact, like when I told you I'd put on 20 kgs.
I don't believe that.
I'm telling you.
I
will show you photos.
Nonsense. 20 kgs on Juhi Gudam mein मैंने तो कभी देखा ही नहीं. But anyway,
I did. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
So
I'll believe you if you tell me.
So you know, for most part of my 20s, I was used to being like, you know, on the leaner side, and I was used to dressing a certain way. suddenly postpartum your body becomes, you know, a body that you're not used to. You're like, I was also breastfeeding, I was like, you know, a lot fuller. So I was just like, I don't know this body, I don't know how to dress it. And then I was like, maybe I have to accept the way I look now, and this is what it is. So it took me a while to accept my body, and then I also got into working out not because I wanted to look a certain way. It just made me feel good. That 1 hour of, you know, just being on my own and getting some fresh air.
Self-time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was more important. I remember I used to, you know, go for a workout, then go and grab a coffee. For me, that was my me time. So I really valued that. So I just accepted the way I looked. Then eventually I got back into looking the way I used to. Maybe you'll never be the same. Now I'm a new version of myself.
Yeah.
But
You look the same, by the way. So I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sure because मैंने जूही के workout videos भी देखे हैं. मैंने देखा है कि she's put in the effort. And I think as mothers and as new mothers, what is important is to accept first of all your body, but also to make an effort if you want to be a certain way, right? Like I got a lot of flack suddenly. I remember I delivered, and in 10 days I was 10 kgs lighter. Not that I had done any effort or anything. And मैंने उसका एक story डाला था कि I'm 10 kgs down, and I looked a certain way in front of, which I put for my
Myself,
happiness, right? लेकिन उसके ऊपर मुझे इतने वो आए कि आप दूसरों का दर्द नहीं समझ रहे हो. What are you trying to prove by, you know, saying you're 10 kgs down? And then even some of my friends said that, like somebody who's close to me but lives abroad, and they have a certain idea of, you know, culture and everything.
Yeah.
And they said, oh, this is really not cool that you're... But I just sat there and I asked myself, do I really need to answer that? Because I did that for me.
you know, that is what makes postpartum even more tough.
Huh.
Because like comments like, oh, you don't look like a mom. I'm like, what do you mean you don't look? What are you supposed to look like? Firstly, and I did everything that I'm supposed to do as a mom. And you know, as a mother, you'll always want the best for your child.
Correct.
What do you mean you don't look like a mom? I mean, I maybe you mean it in the nicest way possible, but that doesn't make sense. With
Correct.
times, things change, and the idea of what a mom is supposed to look like has also changed.
Correct.
Like when we grew up in school back in the day, in our textbooks, we would see a very typical figure of what a mom is supposed to look
yeah,
like.
correct.
But अभी तो वो वैसा नहीं है ना. Time के साथ चीजें change हो रही
Of
है.
course.
तो
And I think the pressures of being a certain way, either to please them or, I mean, खुद को please करना तो important है ही नहीं. It's just like you're suddenly wanting to only prove a point to the world. Why?
But you know, I also want to say, you know, in retrospect, social media has also changed a lot.
Yeah.
I didn't feel the pressure to lose the weight, to be very honest, because of the field that I'm in.
Yeah.
I feel like people have accepted different body types very beautifully now.
Correct.
I feel things back in the day were a lot tougher.
Yeah.
It also depends, I will say.
It also depends
It also
on the
depends.
medium that you're in.
Exactly.
Because मुझे झलक दिखला जा मिला था in 3 months of having Zihan.
Yeah.
But I knew that I'm going to be in front of the camera, and yes, I am for all body positivity, and I know that, you know, nobody needs to please anyone else. You have to look the way you look because you want to look the way. And I thought कि यार मैं स्क्रीन के सामने, तो मैंने अपने आप के ऊपर वो प्रेशर लिया था कि, you know, I have to really come back to my weight and everything. And then I did a show recently called Lovely Lola, and उसके अंदर मेरा एक भीगने का सीन है, and वो लाल कलर की साड़ी में जब मेरी कमर इतनी सी थी, everybody wondered, like, in fact, Sargun, the producer of the show, she's also an actor, she's like, कहाँ है ये कमर? Where have you removed the baby from?
Yeah.
So, I worked hard for that.
Yeah,
it took me a year.
Yeah.
It took me a year. You know, slowly coming
Nothing
down.
comes easy, yeah.
But you're correct. If you're in a medium where you don't have to feel the pressure of being a certain way, then you take your time.
See, that's the thing. Like, you have to do it for yourself. If you're doing
Correct.
it for others and it's not even healthy,
Correct.
like I'm doing it because
Correct.
I've been doing this for years, and I won't
Correct.
feel normal if I don't eat right
Work
or work
out.
out. Then
Correct.
it's not normal to me.
Correct.
You know, so it's just that you're doing it for yourself, and that's what's important.
But isn't it amazing to have a female figure like that in
Yeah.
your life? Now tell me something. You have a son. Do you secretly somewhere wish that whenever you have your second baby, you should have a daughter so that you can have that kind of a female bonding with your
So
child?
I mean, I'm glad I had a son. To be honest, my first baby will always be my niece. Because she's grown up.
अरे वो तो आपकी बेटी है ही,
exactly.
of
She's
course.
grown up in the same house as me, and she's literally my first baby.
Yeah.
So I feel I've had both.
Ah.
You know, Diva is the baby
Correct.
girl, and Aru, I think I want a dog next, which my husband and my mom both don't approve of. But I really want Aru to grow up with a dog.
With an animal, yeah.
Hopefully soon.
But I think बच्चों के साथ ना अगर animals हो तो उनका एक अलग nature build होता है.
Absolutely.
Zihan has 2 cats at home with me and he's just like friend and चलते चलते उनको ऐसे बैक देगा वो, उसको लगता है कि वो फ्रेंडली है but वो बेचारा बच्चा खुद उठ के भाग जाता है.
Even Aru, he doesn't know that the
difference.
Exactly.
Yeah.
He's super friendly with animals, like big dog, small dog, doesn't matter. He's just gonna go and grab the dog.
Yeah, and I think that makes a big impact on children. In fact, जब ज़िहान 1 ही साल का हुआ था, हम तंजानिया गए थे to a beautiful resort which was actually in the middle of the forest.
Wow.
तो लाइन हमारे दरवाजे के बाहर होता था and Zihan would be like, wow, who's that? Yeah. So who's that? तो उसका favorite word है. Who's that? What's that? Now he's like an encyclopedia that knows everything.
Yeah.
I'm like, now you know everything. सीधा एक क्लास ऊपर जाओ. Okay, अगर आपके ज़माने में Instagram होता या social media होता, तो आप अपनी बेटी से आज के ज़माने से क्या इंस्पायर आपको करता है, जो आपको लगता है कि अगर मेरे ज़माने में होता तो मैं जूही जो आज करती वो मैं ज़रूर करती.
एक चीज बोलना चाहती हूँ कि अगर मेरे टाइम पे ये सब
सोशल
होता,
मीडिया, हाँ,
मुझे लगता है मैं पता नहीं क्या से क्या कर देती.
वाओ.
ना जब मैं ओम शांति ओम कर रही थी तो मेरे को तो मतलब फरहान ने टास्क दिया था कि आपको पूरे 60s के लुक
करने हैं.
तो मैंने फराह को बोला तो मैं उस टाइम की नहीं हूँ हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट. मैं
हाँ.
शर्मिला टैगोर, मुमताज, उनके काम मैंने नहीं किया है. तो मेरे को मनीष मल्होत्रा ने, फराह ने बोला ऐसा 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 लुक करना है. उस टाइम तो यूट्यूब भी नहीं था कि चलो देख लो.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
पिक्चर देखती थी और मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. तो हाथ से सब रिंगलेट्स वगैरह करना, ये सब करना. तो मैं सोचती थी अगर इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, ये सब फेसबुक वगैरह होते तो मुझे लगता है मैं अभी तक कम से कम 4-5 ऑस्कर ले आती.
Seriously. And trust me, she is, and Bharat ji is capable of that.
नो बिकॉज जब मैंने ओम शांति ओम किया मैंने, तो मुझे खुद को मतलब ये लग रहा था कि सच में मैंने किया है
I
क्या?
know.
और फराह ने मुझे फ़ोन किया कि डोरिस तेरे को ना आईफा अवार्ड मिल रहा है.
Wow. Trust me, ऐसी कोई एक्ट्रेस नहीं है इंडस्ट्री के जो इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हैं जिन्होंने डोरिस एंड भरत के साथ काम नहीं किया हो. ऐश्वर्या राय, माधुरी दीक्षित, हेमा मालिनी, रेखा जी, एवरीथिंग यू कैन नेम the biggest of the stars, and इन्होंने उनका हेयर एंड मेकअप किया हुआ है. सुष्मिता सेन, everybody. And I just
एंड मिस इंडिया गोहर
and Gauhar Khan, yes, alhamdulillah, I feel so, thank you. And मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है इनसे, ना कि सिर्फ काम का, बट इनकी प्रोफेशनलिज्म, इनकी सोच, इनकी मेहनत से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. In my formative years, I was only 17-18 at that time, but I've learned so much from you, and I can tell you that.
मेरी जर्नी रही है. मेरी जो ये जर्नी थी एक 2017 की, जो मैं आज हूँ यहाँ
जी.
पे, मुझे लगा था कि शायद अब मेरे लिए दुनिया ख़त्म हो गई, यू नो. मगर उसको भी मैंने फेस किया.
जी.
2017 में मुझे कुछ एक ऐसा
डायग्नोसिस था.
हाँ. तो मैंने कहा किसको बोलूँ. मैंने इसको बुलाया. मैंने कहा जूही मुझे कुछ तो गड़बड़ लग रहा है. शी सेड मामा लेट्स गो टू द डॉक्टर. मैं डॉक्टर के पास गई. डॉक्टर ने बोला ऐसा ऐसा सब है. मैं डॉक्टर के साथ बैठी हॉस्पिटल में. मैंने डॉक्टर को पूछा डॉक्टर इट्स ओके, आई विल फेस एवरीथिंग. आपको कुछ भी पार्ट निकालना है मेरे बॉडी का निकाल दो, बट आप मुझे एक चीज़ बताओ, मेरे बाल जाएंगे क्या? बिकॉज यू नो हाउ ब्यूटीफुल हेयर आई हैड, यू नो.
Yeah, the most beautiful, most.
तो ही सेड कि हाँ जाएंगे. बस वहाँ पे उस दिन मैं सिर्फ रोई और इतना रोई. उसके बाद मैंने अपने आप को संभाला. मैंने कहा अगर मैं रोई, मैं टूटी, तो मेरी फैमिली को कौन देखेगा? जूही के साथ में जो मेरी लाइफ है ना, मतलब अगर मुझे कुछ होता है
अल्लाह ना
तो
करे.
ये इसको मतलब ये हाइपर हो जाती है. मैंने अपने आप को संभाला और मेरे हर कीमो के टाइम पे मेरे साथ में सिर्फ मेरी बेटी होती थी और वो मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ पूछती थी, मामा तकलीफ़ हुआ क्या? तो मैं बोलती थी नहीं बेटा कुछ तकलीफ़ नहीं हुआ. एंड गोहर आज तक इंडस्ट्री में किसी को नहीं पता चला कि मैं हर कीमो में मैंने लैक्मे फैशन वीक किया, मैंने शोज़ किए, किसी को भी नहीं पता चला कि मेरे पास बाल है कि नहीं है। मैं जाती थी एकदम स्टाइलिश,
Beautiful,
तो
of course.
मैं जब एक्सटेंशन पहनती थी किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता था। जब पूरे बाल निकालने का टाइम आया तो मैं सुबह उठी, मैंने बेड के ऊपर मेरे लंबे बाल थे, मैंने एक स्ट्रेंथ देखा पूरा। मैंने कहा रोज रोज मरना मैं नहीं पसंद करती हूँ। मैंने सूरज को बुलाया, मेरे बेटे को,
Who's also a hairstylist and has salons.
मैंने कहा अपना उस्तरा लेके आ। बोला क्यों? मैंने कहा देख, आई डोंट वांट टू डाई एवरी डे, आई वांट टू डाई वंस, रिमूव माई हेयर फुल। ही सेड नो, ही स्टार्ट क्राइंग बाथरूम में। आई सेड रिमूव, योर मदर इज गोइंग टू लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
Of course.
तो वो बाल निकाल रहा है, रो रहा है, बाल निकाल रहा है, रो रहा है। उसके जाने के बाद मैं 5 मिनट मिरर के पास खड़ी रही, अपने आप को देखती रही और मैंने कहा दिस इज डोरिस, या बट आई एम लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल, आई एम लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल।
I think we were weaker than mom during that journey. Obviously, like I was very young that time and it really broke me. But mom made it seem like it was a, you know.
गौर, मेरा एक मैसेज सबको जाता है ये चीज़ का, लाइफ में कुछ भी है उसको ब्यूटीफुली फेस करो, क्योंकि सिंपैथी लेके फेस करना मेरे को नहीं पसंद, सिंपैथी लेना।
एंड मैं, आपको पता भी नहीं मैम, जिस दिन आपका फर्स्ट
हाँ।
वो हुआ था, मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी एंड आई मेट सूरज डाउन एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि मॉम का ऐसे दुआ करना। मैंने इतने दिल से दुआ की थी एंड ही टोल्ड मी अभी कॉल नहीं करना व्हाटएवर बिकॉज़ वी आर नॉट टेलिंग एनीबॉडी एंड दीस आर years and years and years before.
yes.
But मैंने और निक्स ने इतने दिल से आपके लिए every day, and then when I met you after a few times
हाँ,
and when I saw you fully like
Yeah,
recovered and
yeah.
everything, alhamdulillah, I didn't even want to zahir karo it to you that I knew, but I was the happiest.
yeah.
And जिस तरीके से आपने शांति में सब चीज फेस की है,
नहीं, दिस वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी, आई टेल यू।
absolutely.
आई कैन सी हर चीज को फेस करना आना चाहिए।
And जब फैमिली आपके साथ हो,
हाँ।
सपोर्ट सिस्टम हो,
तो वही मैं जूही के अंदर भी चाहती हूँ कि जूही इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन। वो मेरे ऊपर गई है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लड़कियों को स्ट्रॉन्ग होना बहुत
बहुत
जरूरी है,
जरूरी है।
क्योंकि लड़कियों की 2 लाइफ होती है,
करेक्ट।
समझे ना, एक शादी के पहले, एक शादी के बाद, तो दोनों को देखना, स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे तो ही देख
It's
पाएंगे।
almost like a lifetime,
हाँ।
right? It's such a beautiful thing. कितनी अच्छी बात कही है।
बहुत जरूरी है कि लड़कियों को स्ट्रॉन्ग होना बहुत जरूरी
बहुत
है,
जरूरी है।
क्योंकि उन लोग के रोल्स बहुत होते हैं, माँ बनना, बहन बनना, वाइफ बनना, डॉटर इन लॉ बनना, तो वो फेस जो है ना औरत को करना पड़ता है।
Okay, am I sitting like a walrus? Okay. Best was before leaving for Abu Dhabi, I kept calling myself a walrus because I was at these family functions and I felt like a walrus. So I was like, I'm a walrus. And Zehan, after going to Abu Dhabi, he has refused all other activities. He's scared of everything and all of that. Suddenly he sees a walrus and gets excited.
Now he knows what
And
it
I
is.
say, Zehan, what is that? Walrus! I'm like, Disney मना कर दिया, ये मना कर दिया, स्कूबी डू से डर रहा है, हर चीज, वॉलरस से एक्साइट हो गया वो।
सुना ना वो वर्ड उस
My God, I was like, thanks, Zehan, thanks. It's like he had spotted his mother. Trust me. You know, when it went ulta like this with a bum going up like this, I saw myself. Trust me. I was like, yaar, ye tights kaise pehne? Like, I'm sure Juhi was just the chotu.
I wasn't.
She was wearing tights and all that. I was like,
Anisha,
how?
you know, you've seen it all.
No, what nonsense.
I'm showing you
She
photos.
was wearing biker shorts and all, and I was like,
you wait, I'll show you.
seriously, ये लड़की ना. Okay, fine. So coming, since we are all laughing about walruses and biker shorts, हमारा next segment हम हमेशा try करते हैं कि एक segment जरूर करें, which is a little different from just like banter, you know. So, this is the first time we are doing it because this is the first time we have a duo on our show. Yay! So, never have I ever, but with a मदरली ट्विस्ट। ओके, तो हम आपको 2 बहुत ही अमेजिंग मदर ऑब्जेक्ट देंगे जो आप दोनों तो बहुत ही ज्यादा रिलेट करेंगे। प्लीज जरा लेके आइए। या ओके, सो
haven't seen this
Yeah,
in
in
a
a
while.
while, right? Okay, get ready for it.
Oh my mom, you तो
Maybe-
definitely haven't.
Okay, so they are all sanitized. हमने इनको boiling water में डाल के पूरा सब
As
कुछ.
we do.
They are brand new,
Yeah.
so you don't have to worry. And but brand new के बाद भी हमने उसे boiling water में डाला है. So
Wow.
yeah, so it's all like all
Oh,
mother friendly,
I
baby
miss
friendly.
this.
So this is yeah, no, so nostalgia. Oh, I know, really. Mine though is going to very soon be
Yeah,
the
and
same,
again.
same things.
So cute.
But this is actually coffee inside it. Cold coffee है, तो आपको अच्छा रहेगा. But it's a never have I ever. मतलब मैं आपको पूछूंगी कुछ सवाल और अगर आपने वो चीज की हुई है तो आपको एक सिप लेना है. ठीक है.
No.
और अगर आपने नहीं की है तो आपको सिप नहीं लेना है. But this round is all about honesty.
Yeah.
Okay, so please be honest. Okay, so are you ready?
Done.
तो ढक्कन off. Okay. But हमने कोशिश की है कि हम आपको कुछ टेस्टी दें. तो this is cold coffee. कोई punishment नहीं है. It's just fun.
Pakka not
It's
formula.
cold.
Not
It's
formula.
just cold. It's just cold coffee. No formula. Okay. So for both of you, दोनों को जवाब देना है, ठीक है? Never have I ever spanked my baby.
You तो mommy finished the whole thing. You finished the whole bottle.
No, one sip is fine.
Mom, you तो really.
नहीं, आपने दो चार तो दिए ही
Remember
होंगे.
when I told you my mom was strict?
Yeah.
You remember? हाँ.
तो वो स्टोरी बताना जरूरी है.
नहीं.
You just have.
One sip.
Come on, it's a rapid fire whenever.
No, no.
Yeah. It's just a baby. पीना है. Okay, great. Okay, so you've not spanked Aryan
No,
yet.
not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Never have I ever cried more than my baby on the same day. Come on, we've heard you already crying through the car. Yum, no? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Never have I ever Googled, is my baby normal if at 3 a.m.
I've googled a lot at 3 a.m. Normal, I don't know. Yeah, but I mean, some
Yeah,
of the
come
other
on, yeah. Has he, if he is not pooped for 10 days, is he normal?
Yeah, some or the other way, yes.
Okay. आपको हम skip कर सकते हैं because आपके ज़माने में तो Google उतना use होता नहीं था. Okay. Never have I pretended to be asleep ताकि कोई और उसका ध्यान दे दे.
नहीं, एक्चुअली में ऐसा तो
Actually, you know, I am so hyperactive.
Never have I ever felt like a complete failure as a mother.
many times. What?
It's a feeling.
I mean, I just sometimes the guilt and I would just
Yeah.
feel like I'm not around enough when I'm at work.
Mom guilt.
हाँ, ऐसा तो वो तो मैंने भी बोला ना कि मुझे गिल्टी फील होता था. मैं काम पे हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों को
हाँ,
देख
तो
रही
आपको
हूँ.
एक
तो
sip लेना
वो
पड़ेगा.
अच्छा लेना है.
हाँ.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Never have I bribed my kid with screen time just so that I can get 5 minutes of something.
नहीं
Not
वो
yet.
Right?
Not
Not yet.
yet.
Okay, good. Chalo. Never have I missed my old pre-baby life just a little. Yeah. Yeah.
हाँ, वो तो जुई तो गोर वो तो सबका होता है.
तो सिप ले लो फिर. ये क्या है फिर?
Mommy, this is. Then you have to take.
अच्छा अच्छा just
But
pretend.
it's yummy, yaar,
Pretend.
mommy.
हाँ, okay, okay.
Mm.
Yummy.
Never have I felt jealous of how much attention my child gives the father or someone else.
हेलो हेलो जूही गुडाम्बे. हेलो जूही गुडाम्बे. व्हाट? हाँ
Not talking about you, about Aru with
Anyone
me
else.
and me with you.
हाँ.
Okay.
Okay. Never have I checked if my baby was breathing in the middle of the night.
In the initial days, I was just like,
Yeah, same.
नहीं वो तो मैं भी मुझे भी होता है.
चलो,
अचानक
आपको
उठ
एक
जाओ.
Mom, so you have to drink.
Yeah, never. That means you have.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, last one. Never have I blamed a fart on my baby.
I think my husband has. Not me.
I'm sure all fathers do.
My husband has.
Yeah. चलो अब औरतें फिर भी
Yeah.
उतना ज्यादा नहीं करती. But अगर my husband was here, then he would have begged to differ because in pregnancy I am just
Yeah, that was
farting.
during my pregnancy. Third trimester.
Not with the baby,
Exactly,
yeah.
Not now.
Zaid is like, कोई पर्दा वर्दा कुछ है कि नहीं? Fantastic. So that was the round. A round of applause.
Yummy,
है ना?
I might
Thank you.
continue drinking.
Yeah, I didn't want to like torture my
The cup
guests.
though.
But this was cute. On that note, thank you so much for being on Manoranjan with Gauhar Khan. It was so enlightening. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया.
Thank
First
you.
of all, Doris से बात करके
Oh.
हर sentence is a learning, and it's so nice to see your bond, and so nice to have the both of you on my show. Thank you so much. This show is all about keeping everything real and having real conversations. I hope आज का conversation आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया हो. But before we go, we have a little something from our show for the both of you. Shoots
Of
or
course,
anything.
of course. Thank
It
you
is
so
from
much.
Manoranjan, and I hope you had a good time being on my
Oh,
show.
I loved it.
Thank you so much.
I like the name, huh?
Yeah, no? Manoranjan, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Our team is excited that aap log aaye.
Of
And
course,
for
of
all you
course.
guys, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And आपको कैसे अच्छा लग रहा है भी या नहीं, अपने मेरे comments में बताते रहिए. We'll try and get you the best conversations with the most real people. And as I always say, I love you. Bye.